Hi, I'm Sofian Ismail, and I'm the CEO of KPG Tawakkal KL Specialist Hospital. Well, the program is on the spot. Uh, it gives me the skills that I need to learn and also the new things in management so that I can apply it directly into my daily routine. Never before I thought 1950s movie can taught us great lessons in management. Well, first, I would like to thank SMU for having this opportunity where I learn new things like crisis management and knowing ourselves better for better management. Yes, I would definitely recommend this to my colleague.